Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and in today's video, I am here with another clothing haul for you. I actually was not planning on filming this. This was not in my schedule for February. However, I was literally at Walmart yesterday, went to go grab some things for dinner and just decided to walk around their clothing, and they had just put out a ton of new things. And so I grabbed a whole bunch and figured I would share it with you because I am so impressed with things that they are bringing, and I love a good, affordable clothing option. So if you're here for it, let's go ahead and get started. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, I am a mid-size woman. I wouldn't say that I'm necessarily plus size anymore. I have been majority of my life, and probably in the eyes of fashion, I am considered a plus size woman. But in my mind, I am considering myself in the mid-size range. I currently wear a size 14 pant, sometimes a size 12, depending on the pant. And the top, it varies anywhere from, yesterday I bought anywhere from a medium to an extra large, just depending on the length of the shirt, because I'm 40 and I like an entire shirt, not just half size shirts. So depending on the length of the shirt, I, had to adjust the size that I purchased in order to get the entire amount of clothing that I was looking for. But others that are meant to be oversized, I went down just a little bit because I didn't want them to be too oversized. And so that's what I'm gonna be sharing with you today. I did get some sweaters. I got things that you can dress up, dress down. For work, I have to dress business casual. So a lot of the things that I purchased yesterday, I can dress up with some dress pants. But in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you jeans and my joggers because that's what I love to wear. So let's get into it. Before we go any further in today's video, I want to go ahead and thank our sponsor, Heyday. Heyday is your farming lifestyle simulator. It's a super fun game you can download directly to your phone where you get to grow your own adorable little farm, have your adorable little farm animals without any of the actual work, which I am so here for. As they say in Heyday, the weather is always perfect for your crops. The pie oven is always at the perfect temperature, and it is so very true. This is such a relaxing game. We've actually all been playing as a family. We each have our own little farm, and of course mine is called Charlotte Grove, where I get to grow crops and have the vegetable garden I've been dreaming of, and also enjoy farm animals, even though I have no desire in real life to do just that. In Heyday, you get to build and design your perfect farm from the ground up with endless ways to personalize it. There's super fun animals that you get to have. You get to also decide how your farm looks, the way your rows of crops look, what plants you're going to have, how you're going to build an orchard. You get to enjoy simple, relaxing gameplay where crops never die and you can grow, harvest, and trade at your own pace. You meet and care for adorable animals like chickens, cows, and even playful pets to add charm to your farm. I recently was able to acquire a little dog. His name is Hank. He's so dang cute, and I am saving up to get a little kitty cat as well. I think that the sheep are my absolute favorite though. When they get ready for you to shear their wool, they get super fluffy and super cute, and then you shear them and they shake until you feed them so they can start putting on their wool again. They are so cute. In Heyday, you also get to create and sell homemade goods, from baked treats to stylish outfits using fun production buildings. So I have a little sewing machine, and there's also a loom so that you can make blankets, and super, super cute. There's also an adorable little pie safe where you get to make the most beautiful pies. I love it. Heyday is free to download for iOS and Android, so you can get it right on your phone. There's actually going to be a QR code right here that you can use to get the game, and I'll also have it linked for you down below. So as a viewer of Charlotte Grove Farmhouse and using my link or the QR code here, you're going to get your very own reward pack when you download Heyday. That's going to have 16 adorable deco pieces valuing up to $15.99 for free, just for downloading using my code. My favorite deco pieces in this kit are the adorable hydrangeas. They're so perfect and they never wilt. They're always perfect, which I absolutely love. To redeem that reward pack, you're going to click the link down below, download the game, and you'll be able to get your reward pack. So I would love to see how you guys decorate your farms. I'm gonna go ahead and put my tag down in the description box as well, so you can come follow me in my farm. I would love to follow you in your farm. So make sure to click the link down in the description box or scan this QR code right here so that you can get that reward pack. And I can't wait to see what you guys build in your farms. It has been so much fun. It is such a relaxing and rewarding game, and the music is perfect. The ambiance is so great. My entire family loves it, and I know you're gonna love it too. So thank you again to Heyday for sponsoring today's video, and I can't wait to see all the farms you guys put together. Okay, first thing we're gonna start with today is this adorable cardigan. I showed this in my last clothing haul in the coral color, and I told you that if they had it in other colors, I was gonna buy it, and they do have it in other colors, so I bought two more. I bought this ivory color, and I also bought it in black, and you guys, I am so in love with this, and it is just such a sweet little like knit cardigan. And it's extremely flattering. So I do have it buttoned up entirely. It's got these great little like tortoise shell buttons, but you could unbutton it and wear it just as a super cute cardigan as it's meant to be. But I think it looks really cute like this. I saw it on an influencer on Instagram. She had it closed like this, and I just think it's incredibly flattering. It looks really nice. I love a good V-neck like that. It looks very, very flattering. And these jeans are jeans that I have had from Walmart now. This is the 4th size that I have bought these jeans in. They're like a boyfriend jean. They've got a little cuff on the bottom. I have short legs. I'm only 5'3", so I do have short legs. So I do like a good cuffed pant. They are, you know, slightly distressed. They do have, you know, the hole in the knee. You guys have seen me wear these a ton, and I just think they're so incredibly flattering. These are a size 14. I just bought these, and I will link this entire outfit for you, but I love this. I would pair this with just a cute pair of slacks if I were going to work. But this would be a cute date night outfit with some cute boots. I'm not putting shoes on for today's video just because I'm not going to be changing my shoes every single time I need to change my pants. That's not going to happen. That's going to make me crazy. So we're not going to wear pants, or not going to wear we are going to wear pants. We're not going to wear shoes. But you're going to get the same idea. So absolutely love this whole outfit. It is super, super cute. I just have it paired with a cute little pair of hoops. These are also from Walmart, you guys. They're just a cute, I don't think that my camera's going to focus on it, but just a cute little pair of hoops. I wear them all of the time, and if I can link those, I will as well. But yeah, just absolutely love this. Let me show you the one in black. Here is that same cardigan in black, but this one is actually a size down. I bought this one in a large, and I don't think I realized I bought it in a large, but it still fits, you know, it's cute. It's a little bit smaller. Let me back up here so I'm in the light, but still has those cute like brown tortoiseshell buttons, but it's really cute, you guys. I think it's very flattering. You'll have to tell me what you think, but I really like it, and the black is equally as adorable as the others. I think the ivory is my favorite, then the coral, then the black. Okay guys, here's the next outfit. This is that same white peplum top that I showed you in the last video. However, this one is in the navy blue. I still have those same pants on just because why change them right now. But this is that blue top. It is so pretty. It's like this really pretty kind of linen, very thin, very, very comfortable, very flattering. I just love the peplum, and the blue on this I think is absolutely gorgeous. Very like non-see-through and just really, really pretty. This is a size extra large because it is kind of short. I think it's meant to be like up here. I keep pulling it down, but I do think it's meant to be a little higher, but I think it's just going to be all how you feel comfortable wearing it. I personally feel like I like it lower better on me just because I don't know, self-conscious about the mid area. I'm not sure. I have, you know, the mom tummy, so definitely feel comfortable with it covering a little bit of that, but this is so flattering. So many of you fell in love with this top when I showed it in my last video, and I feel like the blue is equally as flattering. So if you're not a white person, I love to wear white, but if that's not your jam, if you don't feel like white is your color, then definitely try it in this navy blue. It is so pretty, and very, I mean, this is Walmart, you guys. Like, way to go, Walmart. Okay, here is the next outfit. This, I'm showcasing the skirt. The jacket I already have. I showed this in my last video. I absolutely love it. Kind of like just, I only have these two buttons right here in the middle buttoned. It's kind of cute, like leaving it a little bit open. I have the skirt pulled up high because I'm short. I'm only 5'3", and so I wanted the skirt to be, you know, not like super duper long, but it does have like a nice underskirt, you know, to keep it not being super sheer. But you guys, this is so cute, kind of springy, not gonna lie. Has the cute little tie, does not have pockets, which I actually really appreciate, because when there's pockets, I feel like it makes the hips kind of stick out a little bit more. But this is so sweet with some cute little brown sandals or some little brown mules for work. Just adore this skirt. It does have like little flowers. Here we go. Like pink and green. And it also has these little like ruffles. It's considered a tiered skirt because it's got the ruffles on it. I don't know if you can see that in the mirror. I feel like you can't really see that, but it is light and airy and incredibly flattering. I love it with the denim top. Matches with a cute little brown bag. This would be so cute for like, you know, picnicking or just going out shopping for a spring day. Like, so very flattering, so cute, and I absolutely love this skirt, and this is by far an absolute favorite. I think it was around $20. Everything that I've shown you so far has been $20 or less. Everything at Walmart is so affordable. But I love this. I do think I got this in a large, but I'll double check it. And if it's a different size, I'll let you know. Okay. This next outfit is hands down probably one of my favorites. I am in love with this sweater that I purchased. This is this beautiful like white sweater with these blue stripes. It just screams to me like your classic nautical springy summer vibe. I love this. This sweater was only $17.98, I believe, less than $18, you guys. It's unreal. I will tell you that on the website, this blue looks incredibly neon, and it is not. It is this beautiful, like denimish blue. I don't know. It is so very flattering. It is not this bright, obnoxious blue. It is just very, very beautiful. And I love it. I have it paired with those jeans that I showed you in my last haul. These are also from Walmart. You guys, I'm not kidding you. Everything I've shown you today, except for my denim jacket that I've had for a million years, is from Walmart. But these jeans are also from Walmart. They're like a relaxed fit kind of boyfriend cut. They're stupidly comfortable, and they're like a little bit more of like a dirty, distressed look, but like you could do the front tuck with this and it's such a cute sweater. I love this. Pair this with a cute pair of tennies and call it a day. So pretty. And I don't know, it's so comfortable. It is so soft. It's nice and thick. It's clearly knitted, but it's nice and thick and warm, but very, very like breathable, airy, but not like cold. I don't even know. It has these cute little like slits on the side. It's a little bit longer in the back. It's so cute. Like, you can't go wrong. What I will say is it was a little bit short, so I did go with an extra large in this, and I am really thankful I did. My clothing sizes are all over the place right now because one of the other sweaters I'm about to show you I bought in a medium. So it's just all over the place. So if you want it to fit a little bit like this, where you've just got a little bit of room, definitely go with a size up. Right now, I would say I'm definitely more of a large, but this extra large fits perfectly. obsessed with this sweater. This whole outfit, honestly. Okay, we're almost done. We've got 2 more outfits. This is that same exact sweater that I just showed you, but it's in this really gorgeous, like dusty pink. Just absolutely beautiful. Again, it's knit and so warm. So flattering, you guys. This is such a gorgeous color and I love it. I love that it's high neck. It's just so pretty. I have to back up so that I'm in the light. I'm so sorry, but so very pretty. I'm pairing it with my favorite pair of Walmart jeans that I just got in a smaller size. These are in a 14. I actually found them on the clearance rack. They were on sale for $17. Normally they're $23. So hopefully you guys can find them in your area. I will still link everything, even, you know, because you never know what's available in your store, but absolutely love this sweater. So incredibly flattering, so warm, same exact as the last one I had on, and top notch. Love this sweater. Okay, last thing for today's video is this quarter zip that I picked up last night, you guys. Oh my gosh. It's got this super cute little detail on the shirt that says Manhattan Athletic Club, I think. But let me just back up so I can get in the light. But this is a gorgeous, gorgeous, like robin's egg blue. So pretty. It's got these gorgeous lines that come down right here. I don't know if you can see them, but they're incredibly flattering. This is a size medium because it is very oversized and I did not want it to be very oversized. I wanted it to fit very comfortably and it fits very comfortably. It's definitely, you know, oversized. It's still oversized, but not, you know, too bad. I still think it's very flattering. I would probably pair this with some joggers, like the joggers that I love to wear from Amazon. But this would be such a great like little sweater for, you know, running around doing errands on a Saturday. My cat is losing his mind in the window. What are you doing, Lion? But anyway, I just love the color. It looks great with jeans. It'll look great with my joggers. Like I said, I think it's so incredibly flattering and I probably could have even gone down a size, but I think the medium is really great. And if you want it oversized, you can get it much bigger, but I love this. It is so cute. And the blue is just such a beautiful blue. So absolutely love it. Go down a size or two if you want it to just fit comfortably and not like a big gigantic tent. Last thing I wanted to share with you is not from Walmart. It's actually from Amazon. It's my new watch band. I just picked this up. I literally had it delivered this morning and I am obsessed with this. You guys know I like one that looks a little bit nicer, like a bracelet. And the last one I had was getting a little bit worn. So I picked up this one and I love it. I think it is so very pretty. I do have a cover as well in just regular gold, but oh, is this not so dreamy? It's got like that pearlescent, you know, a little bit of a tint to it. Love that. So I'll link that for you as well if you're looking for one that just looks a little bit dressier. And that is it for this little clothing haul, my friends. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you found some fun items for you, for your wardrobe. I would love to hear if you're picking up any for yourself. I'll have everything linked for you down below. And all of them are affiliate links. So that just means that when you purchase from the links that I share with you, I do earn a little bit of a kickback. It doesn't increase the price for you. It doesn't change anything for you, really. It just is like a little thank you for, you know, providing you with these links. So I really do appreciate when you guys shop my links. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying these little fun clothing hauls. I am having a blast with them. It's so fun buying new clothes. I'm feeling so much more happy in my body. So hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, my friends.